Hi, I'm Dr. Quintero from HQ Dontics. We want to bring you here, this beautiful Florida Miami view, and we want to talk about dental infections. So dental infections are basically a colonization of bacteria, a proliferation of bacteria in your mouth, and that accumulation is going to end up producing reactions on the tissue. Tissue gets infected, gets red, and you start having suppuration, you start to having some kind of exudate coming from the tissue, your gums. Sometimes it comes along with pain. That pain can be chronic or acute. Chronic pain is usually very low, very unnoticeable sometimes, and acute pain is that typical dental pain that people talk about when they're like banging their head against the walls from the pain. Dental infections can come in many different ways, but basically they either come from the tooth or from the tissue around the tooth. The tissue around the tooth is the bone, the ligament that holds your tooth in place. That can get infected as well, and it can become painful. So if the pain is coming from inside your tooth or from the tooth itself, it usually means that the nerve is either dead or inflamed to a point that it's not going to go back to normal. In these cases, the pain can be very severe and it will require dental attention. If you feel that you're having pain, discomfort, sensitivity that is lingering, that comes out of the blue for no reason, that feels like it's throbbing, it's probably going to get worse as the time goes. So give us a call at HQ Dontics, we'll be happy to help. If a tooth infection is left untreated, it can create several problems for you in the future. One of them, aside from being very painful, is that you're going to end up losing bone around the area where the infection is. The bone doesn't like pus, bone doesn't like to have an infection around, so if there is one, bone will typically go away, and to recover or regenerate that bone is going to be usually very difficult. So if you know that you have a dental infection and your dentist has told you that you have a failing root canal or you're losing bone, you want to take care of that immediately. If you're feeling or you know you have a dental infection, please give us a call at HQ Dontics. We will be very happy to help you. Extreme and severe dental infections can sometimes be even life-threatening. A severe infection can block your airway. A severe infection can also bring all that bacteria into your bloodstream and create distant problems in other organs. So you want to make sure that you take control of dental infections or potential dental infections. Give us a call at HQ Dontics if you feel that you need us. There are multiple treatment options for dental infections. But the most important thing is you want to get rid of whatever is causing the dental infection. Is it a dead nerve inside the tooth requiring a root canal? Is it an amount of calculus located around the teeth that is creating an infection on the soft tissue? Whatever is creating the infection, we want to solve that problem first. And that, together with antibiotics, is going to usually get rid of the infection. There are multiple treatment options for dental infections. Most importantly, you want to get rid of whatever is creating that dental infection. If it's a tooth creating the infection, or if it's like dead tissue around the tooth, or calculus around the tooth, bacterial accumulation around the tooth, whatever is creating that dental infection has to be taken care of before the dental infection is going to resolve. Also, using antibiotics will take care of this problem. You want to make sure that your dentist evaluates you properly and takes x-rays and lets you know exactly what's creating that dental infection before taking the antibiotics. Again, in order to resolve a dental infection or an infection in general, you want to get rid of whatever is creating that infection in the first place. If you have any questions or you have any concern or you feel that you're having or you could have a dental infection in the future, just please give us a call here at HQ Dontics. We'll be happy to help you.